Okay, so I am in my, I've got multiple windows open here, and today we're going to learn how to add something to Kidblog. So you'll see I'm here with my Kidblog. I've got all my blogs here. Um, I've just posted some QR code stuff about the mitten, and now I'm going to post a video on my blog. My students are really into the Wayside School books right now, so I'm going to actually post this video onto my blog, and I'm going to go to here. I have the Google URL shortener, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go to QR code, and I'm going to drag that onto my desktop, and it becomes a PNG file. Then I'm going to have a new tab here, and I'm going to type in Wayside School movie, and I'm going to press enter. And I don't know if I'm recording, so let's see what's going on here. So I'm going to look for images of the movie. So I click here on images, and there I see lots of images, and I just want to kind of pick one of them. I believe the movie is probably closely based on the characters in the book. I'm not sure how closely because I haven't watched it myself, which doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do is, hold on just a second, I'm going to move my window here, move this window out of the way, and I have a Word document open. So I click in the Word document. I can tell I'm in Word by looking up here. And then I'm going to click back over here, and I'm going to drag a couple of these images in. I'm going to drag that one. This one looks good. I'm not going to be picky. And then I'm going to go back into my Word document, and I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to press Control, and then I click on my trackpad. If you have a mouse, it's a little easier. Then I go to Save as Picture, and I'm going to save this as Wayside 1, and I'm going to save it to my desktop so I can find it easily. Press Save. And as you can see here, it shows up as a PNG file on my desktop. Then I go over to the image again, the other image, go Control click, go to Save as Picture. I'm going to save this as Wayside 2. Wayside 2. Save it on the desktop again, go to Save. And then I'm going to go, ultimately, I want to put this on my blog. So now I have to go into my Kidblog tab, and have I started a draft? Yes, I have. So I'm going to go to Edit My Weird Draft, and when I originally started, I just put add new post. So this is the post I started. Go to Edit. Oops, that's not the one I want because I was doing a book review on My Weird School. So no, I don't want that one. I want to add new. And I'm going to type in Wayside School Movie as the title. And those pictures that I have on my desktop, the way I get them into my blog is I click here on Upload Insert Media. I click on this icon. Then I go to Choose File. And I'm going to choose from my desktop. So it doesn't matter to me which one goes first. I'm going to open that, and we'll do the Wayside 2 picture first. Upload it. And then insert to post. Now I don't know how to resize pictures easily before I put them in, so I just resize them after. And I don't like the pictures to be too big, so I make them a little smaller. You can change them to whatever size you'd like. Notice it's aligned left here. That's just the way I've been doing it, so to be consistent, that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to click on the next picture, and I'm going to choose File again. I did Wayside 2 already, so now I'm going to do Wayside 1, Open, Upload. Takes a few seconds. And then I'm going to go to choose Insert to Post and see how big that is. I don't want it that big. I want them to be uniform, so I'm going to go 120 width, 120 height, and I'm going to go to Update. Now I'm not done yet because right now I don't have a way for my students to get into my blog. So what I'm going to do is make a quick QR code, and the way I do that is I've already gotten to the movie Wayside School on YouTube. So I'm going to go up here to my URL shortener. I'm going to click QR code, and I'm going to drag that QR code onto my desktop. Looks like it covered up my other one. It doesn't matter, I already used that picture, or it may have just moved the other one out of the way. So now it's here on my desktop, and what I'm going to do is go back to my blog, and I'm going to go here again to the Upload Insert Media, and I'm going to go to Choose File, and I'm going to just take that QR code directly from my desktop. Once it uploads, oops, once it shows here, sorry, my chair is quite squeaky. Takes a second, more than a second it looks like, more than a couple seconds. Oh, I have to click upload. Then click insert to post. Everything's going to align left. I'm just going to, let's see, it's kind of all the same size there. Now I don't like how this is side by side here, so I have to click here on HTML, and I just figured this out. Let's see, right here is where the two images are connecting, so I'm going to go in here and click more because I want there to be more space. So I'm going to make it like that. And then I'm going to go back to the visual and see if it changed where everything was. Yes, you see that? And that's all I'm going to add right now. So I'm going to go to Wayside. I'm going to tag everything. Wayside School Movie, QR code. We'll just add those two tags for now. I can always go back and change it later. And then I click Publish. And did it say if it published? Let's do it again. Publish. It's moving there. And there it is. Now it's pixely a little bit. You know, I could be more picky and pick a bigger picture file and, you know, change all that, but I'm not that concerned about that right now. I really just want my students to be able to take their phone or their iPhone, their iPad, and click on Scan Life or whatever QR code reader you use and scan the QR code that's right here, and then I can easily find that video later when I want to watch this, students to watch this movie if we're having a rainy day, especially. They could be watching it on their iPads for a few minutes here and there, and it's a quick way to get everybody where they need to be. I hope this helps. This is one way to post something on Kidblog.